All right, hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it may be for you. I'm gonna tell you now, I'm wide open, I'm well rested. I only have 2 hours to get this event set up. Well, 2 hours in my mind, but I do have 3 until it actually starts. And I'm at an unfamiliar place. It's only about 10 minutes away from my house. I never even knew this place existed, but when my client reached out, she told me she was trying to find a venue. She found one, she paid her deposit, booked me, got this place. So this is where we are today. And I'm actually all right with it because it's clean, everything's out of my way. I like having a blank canvas when I go into these locations. So it's gonna make it really easy. The only thing about this location is it's a little bit awkward in the way it's set up or in the architecture because it's almost like 3 different rooms that you can do 3 different things in, but it's got archways that separate the room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my focal point of the room, I don't even know. I might do this side or I might do this side. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Y'all will see in just a second. But I'm setting up for 60 guests, no table, cutlery, glasses, nothing like that. We're just doing linen, runners, centerpieces, and then we're working on the focal point of the room. So in my mind, it's still gonna take as long as it normally would because the cutlery and everything else is still, I mean, it's small things, but my wife thinks otherwise. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload my videos. And as always, thanks again for being a part of the EOE team. I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, let me show y'all why I said it's odd. That is the door we came through right there. And that leads from, it's a ramp that goes down and out and leads to where the people will be parked at. So ideally, because that's the stage, I would set up right there. Listen to my baby. I would set up right here, but because when you come in, when you come into a room, I want you to see the focal point coming in and not have to look for it. So I'm not gonna use that area per se for the focal point. If anything, the tables will kind of go back into it, but that to me counts as one room because of the archway, it's separated. This room right here is the same deal. It's got an archway. I'm standing almost right up under it. So this is almost like a separate area as well. If I was not doing the event huge or as many tables as I needed to make it not so crowded, I would have put my backdrop and draping all right here and I would have called it a day. But since I am setting up for so many people and I know I need the space, I am gonna drape right here, make that my focal point, and then I'm gonna work my way towards myself. And so it's gonna be kind of like oblong. So we're gonna see what it is, y'all. We're gonna get this stuff set up. I don't wanna ponder too long. Y'all stay tuned.